Fairfax County 911, where is your emergency?
There's a man here. I think he's having a heart attack. Someone needs to help him.
Okay, we'll get someone out there. What's the address?
Kingstown Shopping Center.
Okay, ma'am, do you know the address for the shopping center?
I'm at the movie theaters here. What's the address here? It's 5800 Kingstown Shopping Center.
Okay. What is your name?
Shelley Hemlock.
Okay, Shelley, can you spell your first and last name for me?
Yeah, it's SHELLYHEMLOCK.
Okay, Shelley, and what's the phone number you're calling from?
It's 571-555-5252.
Okay, now please tell me what is the problem. Tell me exactly what happened.
This man, he came up to me. He thinks he's having a heart attack, and he's telling me his chest hurts really badly.
Okay, is he conscious?
He is, but he doesn't look good, and he's sweating.
Okay, do you know approximately how old he is?
I'd say he's about 55.
Okay, is he breathing normally?
He's breathing really hard, like he's been running.
Okay, so he's having chest pains, correct?
Yes.
Okay, can you ask him if he's having any difficulty breathing or pain with his breathing?
Okay, sir, are you having any difficulty breathing? He says he's not, but he's breathing really fast.
Can he speak in full sentences?
No. Would you just please send someone out here? He needs help.
Okay, I'm sending someone out, but I have to ask some more questions. I'm asking these questions so that the responders know exactly what they're dealing with when they arrive on the scene. Can he respond to you appropriately and follow simple commands?
Yes, I told him to sit down, and he did.
And you said he's sweating a lot, correct?
Yes.
Did he pass out, or does he feel like passing out?
No, he's still awake.
Okay, does he feel like vomiting?
Sir, do you feel like vomiting? He said yes.
Does he have a rapid heart rate or feel palpitations?
Do you feel like you have a rapid heart rate? He says he does.
Okay, does he have a history of rapid heart rate?
Sir, do you have a history of a rapid heart rate? He says that he's never had anything wrong before, that he's always been healthy, and that he hasn't even seen a doctor since he was a kid.
Has there been any use of street drugs or alcohol?
Have you used any drugs or alcohol? He said he had a glass of wine with lunch today, but he's not had any drugs.
Okay, have him sit or lie down, whichever's more comfortable for him. Can he safely take an aspirin?
I don't have any aspirin. Does anyone have any aspirin? I don't think anyone has any aspirin here.
Okay, that's okay. Don't allow him to eat or drink anything. Can you have someone meet the units in front of the theater to direct them to his exact location in the theater? If he has any medications, please collect them for the units.
Okay, yeah, it looks like they're here now. They're pulling up now.
Okay, you can hang up.
All right, thank you. Bye.